Alaikum friends, today I will tell you how you can access the Microsoft 365 by using your student ID password. So let's start. You have to open the browser. I am opening Chrome. Here you have to write office.com. So here you can go to sign in process. So you have to do sign in. And if you don't have signed in earlier, then you can go for the sign up process. So this is my university ID. I will log in my university ID password. So once you log in your student ID password, so here the all application of the Microsoft 365 is available for you. Here you can see the list of application and here is the installed app. You have to go here and you just have to click on Microsoft 365 app and it gives the instruction. First is after the downloading of the Microsoft, you can see here downloading in process. After the downloading, you have to follow three steps. Number one, you have to open the file, you have to do run the file and continue it. So so by using your student ID password, you can install a Microsoft 365. Number second, here is the icon. You can click it and you can see explore all your application. So here are the many more application which you can use in your laptop or your PC, and all these application are free of cost and they are linked with your student ID password. Like the most beneficial is the Drive, like Excel, OneDrive. OneDrive, in the OneDrive you can get the data of the 1 TB, so you can save all your file in the OneDrive. But you have to remember once your enrollment will be finished, so after that your ID password will be deactivated. So thank you so much.